Hi everybody. Today's tutorial is on how to make a double crochet. I've made a small swatch to let you see what multiple rows of double crochet looks like. As you can see, the fabric is not as dense as the half double or the single crochet, and that is the nature of the stitch, and that's how it's supposed to look. Makes a nice airy fabric. Okay, let's get started. I'm using Caron 1 pound yarn as well as my size H Furls crochet hook. We're going to start with a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and because we are making a double crochet, we want to bring our yarn up to the height of the stitch. We are going to crochet 3. And now we are going to crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start with yarning over. Insert your hook into that 4th chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. There are now 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and only pull through 2 of them. 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 more. There we go. Now yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Once again, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, pull up a loop, pull it through that chain, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now continue along your chain to the end and I will meet you back here in a minute. Okay, we're at the end of our chain, so let's go ahead and make our last double crochet. You can see that this chain is right next to where we started. That's our knot. Here's our tail. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain. Yarn over, draw up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now, we're going to turn our work. And we're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. You can see the little hole right there. There's our V, all our little V's. We want to go under both of those bars of the V. Insert your hook into this stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Our second stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch of the previous row, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's how we make a double crochet. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. You can find me at Caboodle and Coffee on Facebook as well as Instagram. My website is caboodleandcoffee.com. where you can find free patterns and links to my paid patterns, which will take you to my Ravelry site, or you can just search me on Ravelry at designer Lee Wilson under the designer's search. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy crochet as much as I do. Thank you and have a great day.